What is up, dweebs? Look at this, a full tank of gas. That is a nice change from basically the start of every other video I have made. It's basically like almost every time I hop on the bike, I'm having to fill up. Boop, boop. Yes, drink bike. Today's video, I figured I'd just take you guys along. I'm gonna go ahead and get the bike its first service, because it's technically about 48 miles past when I was supposed to do it, but whatever. And did I follow the break-in period? Of course. See? Told you I followed the break-in period. It just sucks because I kind of have to take the long way to get there because I don't have an easy tag on the bike, and they changed the tolls to where, like, they get you no matter how you try to maneuver them. Like, you know, you used to be able to kind of ride on the lines and not get your picture taken, but now it's kind of no matter where you are, they do that, so that kind of sucks. Or at least from what I remember on my 300, I was able to do it for a while, and then all of a sudden, doing it the exact same way, boom, started getting caught, so that sucked. So, but like I said, guys, today, we're just going to go ahead and take you guys with me for this first service, and plus it gives me an excuse to just look at the bikes they got there, because, you know, who doesn't want to just go and look at bikes, you know what I'm saying? Okay. It's a nice day, you know, it's a little cloudy, so it's not necessarily as hot as it could be. I just hope it doesn't rain. That would suck. I'm not in the mood to get rained on. Also, since I'm making this video, you know, based on my last video, you know, obviously there's a lot of dudes in the comments, which, you know, granted, like, you guys can have your own opinions, but who were like, oh, you should have bought the ZX-6, the 636, because blah, blah, blah. Except, if you guys notice, the new one is more expensive. Wow, who would have thought? Well, anyways, I always think it's interesting to just kind of see some people's, like, thoughts on the price of this bike still, because, again, like, if you don't want to buy it, you don't have to, so, but still, it's just kind of funny. Anything under, like, 40, though, whoo, it's definitely making the twins sweat, if you know what I'm saying. I also packed my backpack, so I feel like I'm going back to school, because I got, like, drinks in there and whatnot, because I have no idea how long I'm gonna be at the place. Because normally, like, I'm the type of guy, like, I will normally do my own oil changes and stuff like that, especially on, like, motorcycles. I literally just did it the other day with the dirt bike. But man, it's gotten to the point now where it's like, dude, buying all the stuff you need to do the oil change costs basically just as much as if you took it somewhere. And, you know, it always takes me a little bit longer because I got to get it set up and pull everything out and get the bike in a way to where I'm not going to be pissed off when I inevitably spill something. So, dun, 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 dun. So anyways, I'll catch up with you guys once we actually kind of get, like, on the highway, you know, because I'm sure you guys just don't want to hear me talk shit the whole time, so. Well, I had to pull over for a phone call, and wouldn't you know it, it's about to rain. Like, man, that is just some major BS. There it is, there's the rain. God bless. Whoa, that was a huge raindrop that just hit my visor. That was insane. Alright. I need to... God, dude, that sucks, man. That sucks, dude. Every time I want to do something on the bike lately, it just keeps on raining. God dang. I love the way this induction sounds, man. Just... All right. We made made it, and luckily I'm not as wet as could have been, I guess. Sorry if the GoPro's a little messed up. I'll clean it here in a second, but now I'm gonna drop this off and go take a look at some bikes on the inside while this thing's getting its service.
Well, unfortunately, the ZX-4 will not be ready today, so I have to go pick it up tomorrow, which is more my fault. I didn't really call ahead. I just kind of dropped it off, you know. That service, the first service, is going to cost about $124. You know, oil change, chain tightening, you know, just as they go over everything, you look like your clutch, your levers, and make sure that everything's good to go. Make sure everything's tight and snug. Make sure nothing's falling off. So it's basically all that the first service is, and then after that, it's basically just gonna be oil changes for the most part. So anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.